Izarren hautsa egun batean, bilakatu zen bizigai. Hautsartatikan uste gabean, noiz bai gina den guernai. Eta horrela bizitzen gera, sortuz ta sortuz gure aukera, atsedenik hartu gabe.
Ze kontestutan sortu zen kooperatibismoa?
Arrasateko kooperatibismoa Mondragon taldea sortu zen, egia zen, kontesto krisi handi batean, gerra bukatu ondoren eta egoera sozioekonomiko eskasean, baina Arizmendiarrita jaunak, Arizmendiarrita Don Jose Maria deitzen dugunak, garbi zeukan langileek beraien etorkizunaren jabe izan behar zutela eta beste erabateko enpresa bat sortu behar zela. Enpresa kooperatiboa, enpresa parte hartzailea, enpresa demokratikoa, langileok izango garena ugazaba eta erabakiko duguna etorkizuna.
A cooperative is a company which uses democratic methods for management. It is made up of voluntarily gathered people who are all the owners of that company. That's what the International Cooperative Alliance says.
And indeed, that is a cooperative company, a company that belongs to all the workers. So these workers are members of the cooperative and there isn't any capitalist shareholder influencing strategic decisions in the company.
A cooperative is a company that competes in the market. That means it has to produce with quality at a profitable price and offering a good service, but always operating in a democratic and socially responsible way.
Their sales dropped in 2009, but instead of making people unemployed, they simply moved some of their workers to other businesses within the cooperative.
In 2010, 2011, fortunately, we were able to manage to make these workers to come back. So today, fortunately, we have work for everybody and we are recruiting people now from all the cooperatives in the group that, unfortunately, they are having tougher times than us.
Zelan itxotza kooperatiba batek aurre krisiari?
Kooperatibismoak krisiari egia esan datu daude, hobeto erantzuten dio kooperatiba batek enpresa konbentzional batek baino. Zergatik, kooperatiba herrian errotua dagoelako eta gauza ezberdinak egin behar ditugulako lanpostuak mantentzeko. Eta hain zuzen, guk erantzuten diogu, adibidez, lehenengoz, gerrikoa estututa, jetxi egin behar baldin bada nominak, irabazteak, gutxituen behar bada 1,5, 1,8, horrela erantzuten digu. Baita ere, guk egiten duguna da pasatu kooperatibista bat beste kooperatiba batetara. Lanaz baldin badago gure kooperatiba, beste kooperatibara joan daiteke. Eta baita ere, inbertsioak egiteko elkarrekin dirua jarriz eta elkartasunean banatzeko baten bate dirua galtzen baldin badu, orduan harekin inbertitu ahal izaneteko ere, dirua pasatzen dugu toki batetik bestera. Beraz, interkooperazioa da batez ere funtsezkoena aurre egin.
Well, of course, education is one of the most important things in the cooperative movement in Arrasate. Actually, the university started before the cooperative movement, and it was the basis of the cooperative. And nowadays, there is a university with 4 different campuses, and apart from that, there are about 3,000 students in 7 cooperatives.